Okay. Whew. Hi, my name is Dax. I was nominated by Brandy to do this goddamn ice bucket challenge thing, so here I am in my tightest Starfleet uniform. Yeah, I nominate Carlson, obviously. Can't run away, sucker. My sister Robin, because why not? And Garrett Wong, I think you should do this because I think more Star Trek actors should do this. And today I didn't have a bucket, so I actually got 2 bowls of water, so it's going to be like a double ice bucket challenge type of thing. And this is going to be really cold. It's not warm enough in Canada for this type of shit. Also, this ice has not melted, so it's going to hit me on the head. That's really cold. Whew. That is really cold. And that is the fucking ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I can't turn this off. Fuck, my hand's too wet.